Hi everyone, my name is Viraj Darshikar. Today date is 19th May 2022. Today's topic is multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of the processing. Multi-threading and multi-processing and multi-threading both are used to achieve the multitasking. However, we use multi-threading than multiprocessing because threads used shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory areas, so serves memory and context switching between the threads takes less their time than process. Java multi-threading is mostly used in games, animation, etc. Advantages of Java multi-threading: it does not block of user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. You can perform many operations together, so it saves time. Threads are independent, so it does not affect other threads. If an exception occurs in a single thread in which a thread in which that progress of the multiple tasking and multitasking. Multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use the multitasking to utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be achieved in two ways: process-based multitasking and in that multiprocessing, and thread-based multitasking is multi-threading. A process-based multitasking is multiprocessing in which each process has an address of in memory. In other words, each process allocates the separate memory area. A process is heavyweight, and cost of communication between the process of high, and switching from one process to the another requires some time for saving and loading registers, memory maps, updating lists, etc. And second is thread based multitasking. Thread based multitasking in which multi-threading threads share the same address space. The thread is lightweight and cost of communication between the thread is low. And what is thread in Java? Thread in Java is lightweight subprocess in that smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Thread are independent. If there occur exception is one of the thread, it does not of the affect other threads. In this class achieve thread programming, thread class provides the constructors and method to the create and perform operation. And a thread class can be object in which implements runnable interface and modifier and types method and description. Void method in which start, it is used to start the execution of the thread. And void may run method, it is used to do an action a thread. And sleep method is a sleep the specified amount of time. And current thread method, a returns of reference to the current execution of thread object. And with get priority in which it returns of the priority thread. And set priority it changes of the priority of the thread. And get name method in which it returns of the name of the thread. And set name method it changes of the name of thread. And is alive method in which is test the thread is alive. And yield method in which it is causes of currently execution. Their object is with pause and allow the threads execute the temporarily. And suspend method it is used to suspend the thread. And runtime resume method is used to resume the suspended threads. And stop method it is used to the stop the thread. And destroy method is used to destroy the thread group and its subgroups. And I is domain is daemon thread method in which of the its whether uh, thread has interrupted, and in which marks of the thread daemon in which or a thread. And next is static boolean interpreted. The test whether a current thread in has been interrupted, and active count. Active count returns of the number of active threads in a current threads groups. And, thank you.